Welcome all of you. Today what we'll talk about is how you can score the band that you want in IELTS exam. You are thinking about taking IELTS exam. You are thinking about pursuing master's or bachelor degree in a foreign country. Then you have to take this exam. So the first thing that I will recommend you that improving my language and also my IELTS exam is read a lot. I was a bookworm, and then I used to read a lot. That helped me to write a better way. So if you read a lot of books or a lot of articles or a lot of essays, that will improve the way that you write your essays and the way that you write your writing task 1 and writing task 2. So read a lot. The second point is that listen to podcasts, listen to the people who are speaking in English. That can improve your language input, and it can improve your output. For example, when you are speaking, you are using what you have listened before, the vocabulary that you collected when you were listening. That's the vocabulary that you will speak. So listen a lot of podcasts you can listen to, like whatever podcast it is, you will adapt it. Then the third point is practice. Practice makes you perfect. So if you, for example, if you want to improve your speaking, take your phone, record your voice, and speak English, and ask yourself questions, then answer to yourself, then record it, then listen again and again. That way you'll improve a lot. For example, you want to improve your reading exam. So just read a lot, then take reading exams. Then if you want to improve listening, for example, you listen a lot. Then you will see yourself adapting and understanding whenever you hear English voice. That will be normal for you. If you want to improve your writing, you write a lot. Then that way you will improve your writing. That's the 3 points that you can improve your English and your IELTS exam as well. What about you? What do you think that it helped you to improve your English or IELTS exam? Share with us in the comments.